and welcome to Hof Pop, Hofstra's Points of Pride. I'm your host, Julia Wachtel. Roy Ayers once said the true beauty of music is that it connects people. It carries a message, and we, the musicians, are the messengers. A unique style of music has gained popularity over the years, in which the musicians use no other instruments except their voices to perform songs. This rising musical performance is known as an a cappella. Today, you will have the opportunity to meet David Rosen, a member of Hofstra University's all-male a cappella choir. David will give you an inside look at what it's like to be a part of an a cappella group and how the Dutchmen set themselves apart from other musical acts. So if you are interested in learning more about this captivating performance ensemble, keep on watching.
The Hofstra Dutchmen are not only just an all-male a cappella group, but we're also a performance group, and our purpose is to make people enjoy listening to music and to give people an experience as they listen, as opposed to just watching people sing. There shouldn't be a standard on what musical ability a person needs to have in order to be involved in an a cappella group.
I don't come from a musical background, but I do love to sing. So it's having the opportunity to every single week, twice a week, I get to hang out with guys who love music as much as I do, and we just get to do what we all love.
In a cappella, it's not just about how good your voice is, but it's also how well you can blend with people around you, and the ability to read music, the ability to listen to the voice parts around you, and to be able to recognize notes and mouth shapes. It really makes a difference, and those are the people that we want, the people that we accept in the Dutchmen.
Dutchmen is a place where a bunch of guys can get together and just mess around and have fun, but also just promote this great idea of music that I just love so much. When we get up on stage, it's like you forget all the troubles, you forget that you study for all these finals, all these tests, all these other things. It's just, you're up there, you're singing your music, and you just know you're making the people in front of you feel better about themselves.
When we're on stage and singing and I look at the faces of the people who are in the crowd and they're either smiling or clapping or dancing, it's that idea of a cappella music bringing people together as opposed to just like singing at an audience. It's about singing with them and singing for them, and being able to stand next to people who kind of like understand that. It makes being in the group that much better.
To say goodbye to yesterday.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. We truly hope you have enjoyed learning all about today's Points of Pride. To watch more episodes of Hof Pop, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Julia Wachtel. Have a great day.